So after putting the maida in it, then we are gonna put like 1 tablespoon of salt in it. Then after putting the salt, we will put like then 1 pinch of baking soda. Then we will be putting 2 tablespoons of oil in it. So I'm using the refined oil. So now you will have to just mix it for some time like this, so that the flavor comes in it and the raw flavor of the maida is gone. So now after then that's like doing this for some time, then you're gonna put the water in it, of course, to make the dough. So we have to make the dough a little hard enough so that the momo can also be done. So guys, now you can see that our dough is ready, and you can see that I have not made it too hard and not too fluffy also. And now we will keep it rest for like 30 minutes, and then we will start preparing the momo. But until till then, we have to get ready to the stuffing process. So for the making of the stuffing, we are gonna need like some cabbage, and then beans, and then some capsicum, and then like 2 cloves of garlic only. So now we're gonna first like wash it nicely, then to maintain some clean and hygiene, and then we are gonna chop this into like small things. So first let us go and wash them. So let's wash it first. So after washing it, now we're gonna drain all the water inside the sink, and then we have to just keep it aside for like 10 minutes, and then it is like ready to chop. So now I'm gonna like just chop them. So for chopping them, I'm using this type of machines. Also, you can also check it on Amazon, it's available over here. You can search as wedge cutter, and then I'm gonna put like little of them only, and then we'll gradually mix. So actually, so you guys may think that why I'm using this pencil over here. So I'm using this pencil because the needle ones like broke, so I thought of a DIY. So I just like brought this pencil only, and now I'm gonna just like close the lid over here, and then just I will like push it afterwards. So guys, the next process is that you can see that I've already chopped my vegetables in it. So now what I am do is, so I've now just heated a pan with some oil in it, and now I'm gonna put all the chopped vegetables in it. So just put all the vegetables in it, and we have to saute it in a very low flame. So now I have put in all the vegetables in it. Now little is left. So after putting the vegetables, you have to put like a very low amount of salt, because now we're gonna put the soya sauce also. Then the soya sauce also contains a huge amount of salt, and the maida also. Put some of the salt in it, and then I am using this powder, which is the white pepper powder. So if you have the black pepper powder, you can also use the black pepper powder also. It's totally optional. After putting the black pepper powder, then we are gonna put like some soya sauce in it. So after putting the soya sauce, we will be putting this the sauce, which is the Szechuan garlic sauce. So it's totally optional if you want to use or not. You can also use the Szechuan sauce also. So in the Chinese flavor, the Szechuan sauce is must, and the garlic also. So after putting the Szechuan sauce, now just put the flame in a low flame, and then we have to saute it. Like that. We have to saute it for some time. So guys, now you can see that I have divided the parts like these type of shapes, and now we will get ready with the stuffing process and then the momo shape. Now we have to do like this, and then just take out the extra part and keep it aside, and this is the momo. So you have to make the layers a little thick on the sides like this, and then I'm gonna put my stuffing into it. So don't put like much stuffing, because then it could break when you will just put it on the steam. And then what you have to do, you have to apply some little water by your hands, by only on one side of it, and then we are gonna close it. So now I'm going to grease it with some oil. So after greasing the oil, we will place our momos into them. Just grease it nicely. So now I will be placing the momos into the tin like this. So now I'm going to place it in the preheated kadhai. So now we have to cook it in a very low flame in 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, now you can see that our momos is all ready, and you can see its color has been also changed. So I had put it on the steam for like not 15 minutes but like 30 minutes, so that it could like boil nicely inside it, also the masala, that means the stuffing inside it. And so then I have decorated with it some of the the sauce, which is Szechuan sauce, not the tomato ketchup, because the Chinese dishes are all mainly like those garlic only. So this was my recipe for the veg momos, and I hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, then hit that bell icon for daily notification. Till then bye guys, stay home, stay safe.